Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to talk about a decent project, a great project and its Bitbind. Bitbind.io Ecosystem for music events. Bitbind connects musicians, venue, event organizers, and fans to create the most memorable music events on earth. So, if you want to get musician and venue and event organizer and fans, you should visit this site and know about this project and it's easily organize this musician venue and event organizer. So they connect all. Here their pre-IO is live versus BBND. Here's the BBND token symbol and here the login option. So the challenge. Mankind had the agricultural revolution, the industrial revolution, and now this third one, the information revolution. The Masayoshi Son, CEO at SoftBank, second richest person in Japan. The great space is this. Here, organizing an event of any size remain a slow and manual process with high cost and connection barrier. Here, if you want to organize a event, just contact them. They process their process is very easy and they remain a slow and manual process and a high cost and connection barrier. Here, quality performers or venues are hard to reach. Lack of connections limit rising artists and new venue. Here, agencies and middlemen are slow, inflexible, and expensive. So you can easily get this person here. No need to middleman. Here, their solution to Bitbinder. Here, four-stage platform artists are paired with venue and organizers. Here, let's say you are a DJ and you want the best deal for a Friday night performance. Let venue compete for you and show off your portfolio. Choose when you are available for a show and let event organizers outbid each other as you get better and better offers. Bitwine platform benefits all parties in the music events industry. So both all are benefited from this website. So here the music group let venue and organizers bid on you, increasing your revenue. Here event organizers let musicians bid on your opportunity. So you lower your expenses and get the best. Here, venue owners outsource event organization to the most passionate managers. Here, the others great space. How do we find exactly the right price that maximizes here revenue and doesn't leave sit empty? Auction are the economic solution to that problem. Here, Eric Bodish, economist at University of Chicago. So, auction are the economic solution for that problem. Here, Bitbuy for fans, ticket reseller site illegally inflate prices by up to 500%. Choice consumer right groups here, seamless ticketing for Bitbind event. Direct access to tickets for all Bitbind events. Transparent pricing, no chance to fraud, forgery, and ticket scalping. Here, fans have the ability to return ticket and get refunded. Fans can pre-purchase ticket as an event in organized. Here, seamless crowdfunding for Bitbind event. Their superior ticketing system support purchase for tickets for currently organizing events, allowing an initial inflow of capital to organizers. Here, this form of seamless crowdfunding gives a smaller venue the mean to bring in big star. All money is refunded to fans if the event doesn't materialize. Here, the bit X. We see our customers as invited guests to a party, and we are the host. It's our job every day to make every important aspect of the customer experience a little bit better. Jeff Bezos, founder of at Amazon. So here, event review partially determine performer face and dating and connecting the people attending the same event. Here, direct and global ticketing activity fit for artists and venues. Here, the coming soon. Their apps are coming soon in Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So here, Bitfind AI. There are no statistics. We just advertise and hope they come. And a most industry insider here they are providing revenue projection and other heuristics, and that helps all platform users to decide whom to hire, where to perform, etc. So here the other details about this project. If you want to know, just visit this website and read all the article carefully. Here, token sale. The utility token of the Bitbind ecosystem, the ultimate vision of BBND, the symbol of Bitbind here is to be a universal medium of exchange for the music event industry. So it's totally the music event industry based website. Here, Ethereum blockchain provides all the privacy, security, and decentralization that such a token deserve. BBND will be traded on public exchange, but Bitcoin platform users are protected from the price volatility during everyday uses. Here, the full list of BBND use cases in described in the white paper. So here the pre-IO start January 15, 2021, and pre-IO end March 15, 2021. Available supply 1 billion BBND utility tokens. Here pre-sale discount 40% to the IO launch price of 0.04 USD. Pre-IO price 0.03 USD. Acceptable currencies is BTC, LTC, USDT, and BSV. Use of proceeds here general expenses 8%, marketing 30%, development 30%, research 15%, partnership 10%, legal 7%. So here their roadmap quarter on 2021 white paper sheet investment office and incorporation platform development start here quarter 2 2021 private token sale Bitcoin community building platform private alpha quarter 2 2021 public token sale IO exchange listing here quarter 3 2021 team expansion future experimentation start here quarter 4 2021 platform public beta EOY status report here quarter 1 2022 plus mobile app and ticketing development start platform early adoption community quarterly status reported. Here they are powered by a team. Their team is here. Bosco Gasic, founder CEO. In here, then Bayton, co-founder. Here Akash Said, chief technology officer. Here Doc Ish, chief innovation officer. Here Evika Panic, chief marketing officer. Here Goran Beko, chief design officer. Here advisor. William Scott Boatman, legal and business advisor. Here, Daryl Naidu, IO and blockchain advisor. Here, Nebusa Satarik, business development advisor. Here, developers team. Tapendra Shi, blockchain architect. Russell Mahmoud, UI UX developer. Here, Andrei Romanov, coin offering specialist. So here the frequently asked question. If you have any common question, just visit here. And here, what are BBND tokens? Is Bitbind rising a seed round? Are Bitbind token ERC20 compliant? And is Bitbind doing an IO? So here the common question, and here contact Bitbind. Any question, reach out to us, and we will get back to you shortly. Here their address, Bosco at bitbind.io, and join their telegram here. And here your name, your email, and your message, and just submit. Here don't miss out. Stay updated. If you want to their notification and update news, just put your email here and subscribe. So far today, I will discuss about this project in my next video in detail. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.